So twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time's frozen. We open the door.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dr. Dao Tran here. I'm here next to a special guest that just came in.
Hey everyone, it's Rachel Wynn and I'm here with Dr. Dao for my first chiropractic adjustment. And I'm super excited to be here. Hopefully that it will ease out my mind and body in preparation for this season's battle on NBC The Voice. So hopefully you guys can stay tuned for that.
Are you ready for your first adjustment?
I'm super ready.
Let's do it. Action body. In, out.
Oh,
There we go. Good
that
job.
was like 10 cracks in a second. That felt good.
Action body. There we go. Okay. Action body again. There we go.
That was good. I need to do this more often. Oh my god.
Okay, drop your shoulders a little bit more. There we go.
Oh my heck.
Same thing, drop your shoulder.
Jelly. Like it's like much more like relaxed.
Remember earlier
Yeah.
when you were turning your neck right and left? How does it feel now?
What I feel like
Well, turn your head. Let's try it out. Right? It's a little
it's
bit
like
different,
super stretched out right here. I like oh my
Like
god.
flexible and
Yeah,
loose.
I can it doesn't feel tense as much as it was before. Oh gosh. I feel so nice.
All right, folks. Watch out for Rachel. She's getting some chiropractic. And
That was such an
should we
experience.
warn your fellow contestants? Just
Yes.
kidding.
Let me put you guys on Dr. Dao.
All right, thanks for watching. Be sure you tune in
Yes,
on
please.
Mondays, Tuesdays, NBC.
At 8 to 10 p.m.
All right. Thanks for watching.